Your profile is the information others in the course see about you. You can fill in as much or as little information about yourself as you want to. To change your profile information, go to the top right-hand corner of the page where your name is. Hover and click over your name, and then click Edit Profile. Again, you can fill in as much or as little information about yourself as you want. You can even add a picture. Do recommend, though, that pictures of you should be from your shoulders up. Those pictures work best. Optional items you can add are maybe you have a web page you want people to go to, or a Skype ID, a Yahoo ID, a department, phone number, mobile phone, address. Again, add as much or as little information about yourself as you want to. Once you've added all the information you want, click Update Profile at the bottom of the page. To see what everyone else will see when they click on your name, once again, hover over your name in the top right-hand corner of the screen, and this time click View Profile. This shows all the information that you have allowed people to see about you. You can always change this at any time, so don't feel like you're stuck with it once you make that decision.